Quick video on freeing up calipers. That's wet there because we just bled this through. These haven't moved in quite a while. The exercise is so that the car will basically move around the yard without jamming on. Now, where I've been bleeding them, you can see this is tight. It gets slightly looser, but might be a bit of hope. So we're just taking the pins out, going to take the pads out and then work one piston back and forth each time.
Thank you.
Right, hello, right. We just got the pads out of one side. That right hand one doesn't look too bad, but see how rusty that is in there. That's never going to be rejuvenated. Right, I've got them out the right hand side. This left piston's really rusty, but the right one, I'm hoping, might make it move. Yeah, right, a bit more. Right, yeah, stop. Right, squeeze that side back in. Now we'll squeeze this side out. Right, go on then, press the brake. Right, a bit more. Right, a little bit more. Right, stop. Right, we'll clean that scuzz off. Right, that side I had to push back in with a chisel. I think that side's jammed, which actually sort of helps this situation. Because now you turn that and it's sort of free-ish. Right, dab the brake. Right, that's off, right, off. Right, yeah, and there you go. So that side is moving in and out slightly, but it's enough just for the sake of moving it round. We'll do the other side. Right, we're going to work the left one out a bit and see what this is. Come on. Oh, yeah, a bit more. Right, stop. Yeah, you can see this one does come out and go back in slightly. I think this will be all right. I'll spray some juice in it. Video, right, come on then. Chuck it right up so it goes up over the back. Right, I'll do. Pump this side out, maybe. Is it working? Yep, tiny bit. Right, okay, right, stop there. Right. Spray that right round. Right, I tried squeezing it back and it was really hard, so pumping it out again. Yeah, go on. Right, out a little bit. Right, stop. Right, I'll just try and scrape some more of that crap off and see. The idea, it's one of those things, it's sort of, you try and spend sort of 20 minutes, half hour doing it just to see if it will do it so I can leave it for another day kind of thing. Really, if you're doing this on a car, you should just bin the calipers and put new stuff on, because it's much more cost effective in the long run just to do it properly. But sometimes, if you haven't got them on you, or you can't afford it or whatever, you can sort of get it so that you can do with it and then put it off for another 6 months or a year or whatever, depending how you go in with your particular project. Okay, now experiment. The wheel is free. Right, press the brake then. Right, that's on. Off. Yeah. So that should be fit enough just to traipse it around the yard without being stuck on the push. So yeah, this is only just like a thing you can do to try and free up a caliper when it suits. Obviously being brakes, and in the ideal world, you buy some refurb calipers, which I can do for you if need be.